Ay. Hello, Adara.
Sure.
Hello. How are you today, Adara?
Good.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, oh, where are you now?
I'm in car.
Oh, okay. So, are you ready to learn, Adara?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So, today you will have the letters blending. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, can you see my screen, Adara?
Yeah. See it.
Okay. How about the sound?
The
Can
short
you hear
A
the
sound.
sound?
Yes.
A.
Okay, so please listen. And then if you participate well so that you're very good.
First, we'll
Okay?
put two letters together like we've done before. But this time,
So
we'll add one more letter to the beginning. Try and do your very best so you could win a gold star and
we
even get
will
to see
continue
Fuzz do
this
something
lesson.
silly. Here we go. This says
Okay. Adara, can you please tell to teacher what are the letters that you see in your screen? What letter is
Yes.
what letter is this? This one. This is letter what? Letter
Mm.
A.
Letter
A.
A.
Oh, look at
A.
the letter. That is letter A. And A says, what is the sound of letter A?
A.
What is the sound of
A.
letter A? It's
A.
ah,
S.
ah.
A.
Okay. A says ah.
A.
Oh, how about the second letter? Look at the second letter, this one.
A.
What letter is that, Adara?
A.
What letter is that, Adara? This is letter T.
Watch me. Look at this.
T.
Look at what letter is this? E.
T. Look
E.
at my
Say
mouse.
T.
T. Okay. And T
T.
says T. T.
Yeah.
T. Okay. A. T.
A.
A. T. If we put the sound together, it says at. At. Uh, at. Say it 3 times. At. Say it, Adara, say it 3 times. At. Come on. At. 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 Okay. A. T. A. T. At. At. Okay. Very good. Next. Let's have another.
at. Now that we know A and T say at, let's try and put a few other letters at the beginning.
Okay. How about this one, Adara? Look at the first letter. Look. The one that I underlined. This is letter H. Adara. This is letter H. Ha. Come on. Say ha. Listen, Adara. Look at me. Ha. This is letter H. Ha. And then at. Ha. At. Come on. Ha. At. Hat. Say it louder. Hat. Huh? A. T. Hat. Hat. Okay. Hat. The one that you put in your head to protect you from the heat of the sun. That is hat. Okay? H a t. Hat. Say it louder, Adara. Hat. 3 times. Hat.
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 One more time. And then
Watch out. Watch out. Next.
hat.
Hat.
Okay. Next, let's have another. Don't forget the.
At. Hat.
Oh, how about the next letter? How about the first letter? Another word. S. This is letter.
Watch out.
Look at the screen. We changed the letter H to S. What is this letter, Adara? The one that I encircled. This is letter
What is that? S. S.
S. What is the sound of letter S? What? Can you hear me well, Adara? The sound of letter S is at. At. Repeat after me. At. If you put the sounds together, you read this sat. Adara, say sat.
Sad. Sad.
T. Look at the letters. S says S. A says A. And then T says T. T. If we put the sounds together, this one, you read this sat. Okay?
Mommy.
At. Sat. Repeat after me, Adara. At. Sat. Sat.
Sad. Are you doing that?
Sat.
Okay, you listen properly.
Okay. Next, let's have another word.
At. Sat. B.
We changed the letter S to B. And B says, or what is the sound of letter B? Adara?
What's the sound?
What is the sound of letter B? It's
H.
B, B, B. You forget the sound. Okay. B says, or the sound is B, B. Look at the screen, Adara, and look at teacher. Look at me. B, 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 B. Say it 3 times, Adara. B, B, B. B, at. Come on. Repeat after me. B, at. Bat. Bat.
Bad.
Bat.
Bad.
Bat.
Bad.
B, at. Bat. Look at the letters. Look at the word. B, at. This one, this is letter B, and it says B, B. How about this one, the second letter, the letter that is in the middle. This is letter A, and it says ah. And then the third letter is T, and it says T, T. So if we put the sound together, you will read this bat. B, at.
Send to your teacher.
You listen, Adara. Bat. Okay, very good. How about the color? Can you please tell to teacher what color do you see on the screen? It's color. Adara. Oops. Okay.
Yeah.
How about the color? Can you please tell to teacher what is the color of the letters? It's color, color, blue, blue, blue. Okay, let's have another letter, another word.
At. Bat.
Okay, next, we change the letter B into C, into letter C. Okay, oh, what is the sound of letter C, Adara?
Bad. What's the sound of letter C? C.
Oh,
C. Say ka. Ka.
what is the sound? It's k, k, k. You say it 3 times. K, k, k. Oh, k, and then
Louder.
at. K. You listen, Adara. K, at. K, at. Cat, cat. Look at the letters, okay? The cat, it starts with letter C, and the sound of letter C is k, k, k. And then the second letter, ah, ah, ah. And the third letter is T, 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 t. Repeat after me, Adara. K, k, k. Come on. Do it. K, k,
Teacher. Ka.
k.
Ka.
Ah, ah, ah. Okay. T, t, t. If we put the sounds together, you read this as cat. Cat. K, k, cat. K, at. Cat. Cat. Okay. Next.
At.
Oh.
Cat.
Oh, next. Another letter. The letter C changed to letter R. What is the sound of letter R, Adara? Look.
At. Rat.
Okay. Next. R. R says R. R at rat. Okay, next, this one.
B. At. Bat. K. At.
K
Cat.
at.
R.
This one. R. What letter is this, Adara? That is letter. The first letter. That is letter
A-R.
R. R. And then R at. Say it louder, Adara. R at.
R.
Or rat. Rat. Say it 3 times. Rat. 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 Look at the letters, okay? Rats. Okay, next.
At. Rat.
Oh, this one. Another. The letter R, it changed to letter M. M. What is the sound of letter M, Adara? It's mm.
Follow teacher. What's the sound of letter M?
Look at me, Adara. What is the sound of letter M? Come on. At. Come on. Repeat after me. At. Mat. 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 Say it 3 times. Mat. Come on. Mat. 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 Okay. Good job, Adara. Next.
At. Mat. Awesome job. This says at.
Next. Another 2 letters blending. This one, can you please tell to teacher what letter do you see? The first letter. What letter is that, Adara? This one, I will encircle it.
Add.
Okay. This one. What letter is this again, Adara? This is letter
What
Look
letter
at
is that?
the screen. What letter is that again? It's letter
A.
A. And A says, what is the sound of letter A? The sound. What is the sound of letter A? It's ah, ah, ah. Okay, don't forget this one, okay? This is letter A, and it says ah, ah, ah. Oh. How about the second letter? Look at the second letter. Oh, what letter is this, Adara? Oh, what letter? This is letter D.
What letter is that?
D.
T.
And it says D, D, D. Oh, A, D. A, D. Okay, if we put the sounds together, this one, you read this as add. Add. Look at me, Adara. Add. Say it. Add. D. 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 Add. Add. Okay. Very good. Add. You read that as add. Okay. Next, let's put one letter to form a word.
Now that we know A and D say add, let's try and put other letters at the beginning.
Let's put other words.
Add. Sad.
Okay. Add. Add. Sad. 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 Say it louder, Adara. Sad. Sad. Add. Okay. You say it 3 times. Okay. You do like this. Add. 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 It's your turn, Adara. Can you please do it the way I did a while ago? Come on. It's your turn, Adara.
It's your turn, Lucas. 6.
Add. Like that. 3 times. 3 times. You say that 3 times.
Do it 3 times. Add.
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 Again,
Okay. Sad.
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 Sad. Okay, very good, Adara. Next, let's change the other the letter S into T. What is the sound again of letter T, Adara? Sound of letter T. T,
What's the
T,
sound of
T.
the
T, T, T. Let's to add, to add, to add, tad. Okay? It's your turn, Adara. To. Come on. To add. To add. Add. Tad. Tad.
Say it. Add.
Add.
Okay. Go.
To add. Add. To add. You read this as tad. Tad. Okay, very good.
Add. Tad.
Next.
Add.
How about this one? Look at the screen, Adara. Look at the first letter. The beginning letter. What letter is that, Adara? The beginning letter. This is letter. Look at the screen, Adara. How about, can you please tell to teacher, what letter is this, Adara?
What letter is that?
This is letter.
What letter
Again.
is that?
Letter. B. That's right. Letter B. And B, what is the sound of letter B, Adara?
What's the
Mm.
sound of letter B?
What
Now,
is
what
the
did you
sound
do?
of letter B?
What
Uh,
is
you
the sound
need,
of letter B?
you open your camera, Adara, so that I can see you.
Ayaw naman. Ay. Yeah.
Okay. Come on. What letter is this, Adara? The one that the letter that I encircled.
What way is this way?
This is letter. Mm. Look at me, Adara. This is letter B. And B says B, B, B. Mm. Look at the screen. B, B, B. B, add, add. B,
Add.
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 B, add. If we put the sounds together, you read it as bad. Bad.
Bad.
Bad. It's
Bad.
letter B, A,
B.
D. You spell the word B,
B.
A, and then D.
And then B.
Bad. Bad.
Bad.
Okay. Next
Bad.
word. How about this one? The letter B changed to letter. What letter? Again, the first letter. Look at
What
the
is
screen. This is letter. Mm, this one. Can you please tell to teacher what letter is that? The beginning letter. This is letter.
What letter is that B?
Mm,
T. T.
D. Okay, this is letter D. And D says, what is the sound of letter D? D,
What's the
D,
sound letter?
D.
The
D, A. You spell the word. D. Repeat after me. D, A, A, and D. The, add, dad. Come on. You say the, add, dad. Dad. Okay, another. The, add, the, add. You say it 3 times. The, add. Come on. It's your turn. The, add, dad. Dad. Okay, very good. Next.
Dad.
Oh,
And pad.
this one. P. The first letter that is letter P. P. What is the sound of letter P? Adara. It's P. 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 Add. Come on. P. Add. Pad. 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 What is the beginning letter again of the word? Can you please? This is letter. The beginning letter. This one. I will circle it for you. This one. What letter again? This letter. What letter? It's letter P. P. Come on, say it louder. P. And the sound is P. 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 Add. Pad. Pad. Pads. Say it 3 times. Pad, pad, pad. It's your turn, Adara. Say it 3 times. Come on. Pad,
Bad.
p. Pad,
Bad.
pad,
Bad.
pad. Okay, next. Let's have another word. Wait. Oh my. Okay, next. Let's have another word.
Add, mad.
This
Great.
one. Oops. This one. What letter is that? That's the sound. How about the letter? What letter is that, Adara? That is letter. Look at me, Adara. That's letter M. M. Add. Add. Mad. Mad.
Mad.
Mad. Again. Again. Add.
Mad.
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 Okay, next.
Add, mad. Great. This says
This one.
Add.
Another 2 letters blending. Okay. It has A and P. P. Come on. It's your turn, Adara, to say it. P. Up. Up. Say it 3 times. Up, up, up. Up. Okay. Now, let's put other letter. Okay?
Now that we know A and P say app, let's try and put other letters at the beginning.
Let's put other letters.
S, app.
Okay. What letter is that, Adara? It's letter. This sound. You identify the letter. What letter is that? That is letter S.
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 Say S. S.
Up. Up. Sap. Sap. Say it, Adara. Sap. Sap.
Follow.
Sap. Up. Up. Sap. 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 Okay. Next.
Sap.
How about this one?
Tap.
Two.
E say app. Let's try and put other letters at the beginning.
Sap.
App. Sap.
Up. This one is T. Two. Tap. Two. Up. Two. Up. Tap. Okay. Slowly. Two. Come on. Two. Up. Two. Up. Tap. Tap. Tap.
Tap.
Okay. Very good, Adara. So, again, two, up, tap.
Tap.
Okay. So, that's the end of our lesson today, Adara. You did very well today, and you're very good. Okay. So, thank you for your active participation, Adara. See you on Friday again. Bye.
Say.
Bye.
Say.
Okay.